Hello everyone. My name is Shalini Singh, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce at GIMS Engineering Management Technical Campus. Today in this lecture of computerized accounting software, we'll continue with the company creation which we discussed in our last lecture. How to create a company, and we discussed about the different fields. What does that field defines? Today we'll try to fill those fields and let's understand how to create. So today is the lecture 6 of unit 2, company creation. So let's begin. Let's create a company in Tally ERP9 taking the example of National Traders who purchases computer equipment, components and software and sells it to other companies and to the direct customers, and it create a company as per the information provided below. Go to the gateway of Tally, then company info, create company, enter the following informations to create a company. The information given over here that needs to be entered in the company, as when you'll be practicing it in the software, you need to take care of these informations so that each and every information is inserted correctly. So in the directory, except what is displayed on the screen, as I told you, it is a default setting which is given over there. You don't need to change that information. Name, put on the name as National Traders, mailing name National Traders. Then mailing name, as I told you, mailing name should be National Traders only. Then address, number 24 phase 1 Penia Industrial Area, Bangalore. Statutory compliance for, as I told you, it was by default it should be set as India. Most probably we are working for India only. So state, Karnataka, pin code you need to enter it. Telephone number, mobile number, email address, currency symbol, maintenance of accounts, whether it should be just accounts or the inventory. Then if you're choosing with the inventory, that's much better information, because we need to keep a record of number of inventories which you are purchasing. Then the financial year from 1st April 2009. Books beginning from 1st April 2009, Tally Vault password. If you want to secure that information, if you are performing this Tally software just for a demo purpose or for just for the learning purpose, then you can skip this field. But if you are performing this Tally for the organization, working on the transactions of the firm, then you need to put this details of Tally Vault password. Use security control as no. Formal name Indian rupees, number of decimal places 2, amounts in millions, it is no. Is symbol suffix to amounts, no. Put a space between the amounts and symbol, yes. So this is the complete company creation screen which is displayed and it is shown below. So this after inputting all the information here in this box, after putting all the information, as you enter, a dialog box appears here that asks you whether you want to accept this information or you want to reject this. So if you put on yes, then this information will be accepted, but if you choose no, then you'll have to enter all the details. If you find there is something missing in this, then you can press escape and go back and try to fill that information. But in other way also, there is a process we can go with the editing of the company. So after selecting yes, we need to press Y or enter the accept of the screen. This is the final step in the company creation. As we accept it, the gateway of Tally screen will appear as shown below. So this is the gateway of Tally page where this company has been formed. As you can see, date of last entry, there is no voucher entered. It means we haven't made any entry in this company. This is the current period, as we have chosen from 1st April 2009 to 31st of March 2010. This is the financial period which we have chosen. So current date, if you are performing the transactions, if you are performing activity on this software from day 1 of April, then that date will be shown over here. So number of vouchers, as you enter in the make the entries, as you start the entries, so number of vouchers will be shown here. Then this is the gateway of Tally, where all the informations of masters, transactions, import, report, each and everything is given over here. Because we have opened this company, after opening this company, this gateway of Tally page would be like this. But if you shut down this company, then we will be in the previous stage of gateway of Tally, which I showed in my fourth lecture, where I showed you the gateway Tally page with all the heads, and there you can see it was written select company, create company, then edit ledgers, and many more information was given over there. So after accepting the information of creation of the company, your gateway of Tally page looks like this. So working with multiple companies. So after opening a single company, we can open more companies. We can work simultaneously, as we discussed in the advantage and functional features, that we can toggle on multiple companies. We can switch the screens. So for a group of companies, you can maintain the details of each company separately. You can select the company to work with and close the company when it is not required. However, you can also open many companies at the same time and switch between the companies without closing the application, as I told you in my previous lecture also. If we have to work on multiple companies, if you're working on multiple pages, multiple firms, then we can simultaneously enter the data without closing the application. Exercise to create another company. The same way another company will be created, all the information needs to be put on like that only. Just you need to change the name of the company, because the same name company cannot be formed. To create, for example, as I have taken Indus Enterprise, so we need to follow the procedure. From the button bar, select Alt plus 3, Alt plus F3. This is a shortcut key for creating a company. Either you go to the Gateway Tally main page. There you can select the create company option, or in a more simpler way, in a shortcut way, you can offer Alt plus F3. So create a company, or simply press Alt plus F3 to bring up the company information menu. Then select a create company from the menu to bring up the company creation screen. Enter the Indus Enterprise in the name field and experiment with entering another data of your choice. Then when you have finished all the entries, you need to press yes or enter to accept the screen. As you can see, this is the another company. As you create more and more companies, the name of the company will be displayed here. But as you can see, this is active. This is written in bold because at present the page of this company is open. So this will be in the bold letters. Whichever company you are working on, that company will be in the bold format, and you'll be able to see that. All the informations are same. Number of date of last entry, number of vouchers will be entered over here. So after gateway of Tally, you'll get this company info. Then in this company info, you can, if you want to close on this company, then you can go with the shut company. If you want to create another company, you can create another. If you want to alter the company, excuse me, if you want to alter the details of any existing company, then you can go for the alter. Then if you have not entered the password, you can go for the password, and if you have entered and you want that password has been disclosed, then you can change the password from here. Split the company data. If you want to split your company data from one company to another, then you can go for this option from here. Backup and restore. As you complete your transactions and entries in your company, you can take the backup. And if your software has been lost, or if you have If you have got any sort of technical error in your system, then you can restore your data from this restore option. And if you want to close the company, you can go to the quit option and you can close the company. So notice that Indus Enterprise highlighted this indicates that it is the currently selected company from the list of the open companies, as I told you. The company which is open at right now, that will be appearing in the bold letters only. So this was the information which is being given in the tally when you create the company. Simultaneously, you can prepare 1 or 2 or 3 more companies and work accordingly. So that's all for now. Let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you.